Testing Superior Mark tape with one of our free sample kits is a great way to understand how it will behave in your facility in terms of installation, durability, and maintenance. But before you put that tape down, let's go over a few do's and don'ts of proper testing to give you accurate and efficient results. When deciding where to test your marking tape, don't test solely in high-traffic areas such as loading docks. Loading dock areas only represent a small percentage of the total markings in a facility. Do test your marking tape in areas that accurately represent the floor markings and traffic in the majority of your facility. When installing your marking tape, don't simply lay it down without prepping the floor. There may be contaminants in the way, preventing proper adhesion to the floor surface. Do follow proper installation guidelines. Clean the floor with an alcohol-based solution until all contaminants are removed. You can check for contaminants with the surface adhesion test. Lay down and remove a small strip of tape and inspect the bottom closely. If it has any contaminant stuck to the bottom, you should re-clean the floor and test again. Once the bottom of the tape is clean, you are ready to install your tape. After your tape is laid down, you must tamp it with at least 150 pounds of pressure. Tamping the tape forces its adhesive to conform to the floor surface. Our Kaizen carts utilize a tamping roller specifically designed for this process. When testing your marking tape's durability, don't walk away and let damage occur over time. Walking away prevents you from being able to see or understand the direct cause of the damage yourself. And letting the damage occur randomly lacks the control that a proper test requires. This method also requires a lot of waiting time to see any results. Instead, do observe the tape in person as you aggressively push, roll, and drag over it with weighted material handling equipment. Continue this process until you have seen enough abuse. This method accelerates the testing process and allows you to control the abuse as you witness the tape's limits firsthand. After you've tested the tape's durability, don't just leave it on the ground. Do test out its maintenance friendliness and ease of removal. When removing any floor markings, they should remain intact or in large pieces. You should be able to perform the removal without machinery and without damaging the floor. No floor marking tape is going to be indestructible, but we are confident that Superior Mark is the most durable, maintenance-friendly, and visually instructive product out there. Want to test it out for yourself? Call us today for a free sample pack. Or, if you want a more in-depth testing, ask us about taking part in a case study. We can sponsor the testing and assist you with installation and maintenance inspections.